Hello guys, and in this video we'll be seeing how to arrange files according to their extensions in their particular folders. First, open this exe file. I'll be providing the link in the description. Download it, and we'll be arranging the files from this download folder. What you have to do is first you have to copy the path of the folder. You'll get it in the properties. So once you have copied the path, just paste it in here and press enter, and you'll be good to go. But in this video I'll be showing you how the process will work in real time, and if you need the source code of this exe file, join the Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description. This might take a few seconds based on the number of files you're trying to arrange. And now you can see that all the messy files that we had are now properly arranged in their particular folders based on their extensions. And we also have logs of what has happened. And this script was written in Python, and as I said, if you want the source code you can join the channel. And thank you for watching the video.